Guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to help and guide you on how to install Snapchat Pixel on Shopify. Now let's jump into the video. First of all, we want to have an account as a business Snapchat. Now as you can see in here, my business account on Snapchat. What you guys want to do first of all is to find your business settings. I want to go into business detail creation, so it's going to be creating. I want to locate here the event manager, and here I want to go for a new event source. If you choose the web option, you want to confirm to the pixel creation, so it's going to be creating me a new pixel. So I want to do is look for a pixel code. Now as you can see, we kind of set up here Snapchat pixel font to your website. Have a section, find the half head text near the top of your website at pixel code. So what you want to do here is to copy our clipboard, and all you want to do is go back into Shopify, and in here, Shopify, I'm going to go into my page, my online store. And in here, I want to go into actions. In the three dots here to edit code. Edit your theme files. Choose a file to start editing. Alright, so now that we have to edit our theme files, I want to search files. I want to choose theme now. In here, I want to look for the theme editor. And here, theme liquid. And in here, I'm going to go into Control F. And here into find page, I want to look for. So here into the head, what you want to do is just go back into the ads manager. I want to copy my pixel code. I'm going to go back into my business account in this section. I get back into my Shopify here. I'm going to tap enter and paste my pixel code. As you can see, it's been already inserted. So now it says here user email. I want to go into save. I'm going to go back in here, enable automated map matching. I'm going to close this, and in here, we have the self-service pixel. And there you have it. So hopefully it's very useful video for you guys. So before we end this video, please do hit like, share, and subscribe if you are new here.